Let's look at question 2. Baraka earns 210 shillings per hour. His employer changes the pay in the ratio 8:7, and we want his earnings for 10.5 hours at the new rate. His old rate is 210 shillings an hour. The pay changes in the ratio 8:7. That's new to old. So the new rate is the old rate times 8/7. 210 divided by 7 is 30, and 30 times 8 is 240. So the new rate is 240 shillings per hour. Now, for 10.5 hours, we multiply. 10.5 is the same as 21/2, so 240 times 21/2. Half of 240 is 120 times 21, and 120 times 21 is 2,520. So Baraka earns 2,520 shillings. Well done, that's question 2.